Hello crafty friends, it's finally here, the mini May release from Lawn Fawn. I'm so excited to do this unboxing together with you all. I am doing a voiceover now after unpacking my box, so I will kinda guide you through the things I got and let you know which items I'm most excited about. Now at this point I am super curious about all the festivities inside the Cloud9 Crafts package. So let's check it out. Here we go. As always, there's a personal note included on this adorable little cloud. Thank you, Yuki. It's always fun to read the little message. Now let's open this up. So I opened that paper and there was like an air of honey coming towards me. It made me smile so much, since the main theme of Lawn Fawn's release is all about bees and honey. Now you can already see some goodies here on top. There's a little pack of snacks with a honey flavor here. And this adorable little honey dipper, I mean, how adorable is this? I actually never seen one up close or held one, so I was actually super excited. Then there's this stack. I think you can use acrylic paints to decorate this one. It's fun because it's not made of regular paper, so I like that it's something a little bit different this time. Then there's this little tea light, that's probably where the honey smell came from. And a little bit of sweet honey and a little tea bag to make tea with honey flavor. These free goodies are so lovely. I really like these. Now on to a few other items. I recently ordered a glimmer machine, so of course now I need to stock up on all those pretty foils. I ordered a variety pack of pastel colors and I really cannot wait to try these out. Here I was like, what did I order? I didn't have any clue anymore about what was inside here, but I got this rainbow washi tape from the previous Lawn Fawn spring release. Can't believe I didn't order this one sooner. And here's another freebie covered in glitter and sequins. It's gold glitter cardstock on some fun foam. So you can add this to your project and you will create dimension without any effort. Love this. Now I have a few stamp sets as well. First I have the sentiment trails here. I also got the coordinating dies for these, of course. I think it's so fun that you can use them with about any flying critter. I know I have ladybugs and butterflies in my stash, so I will be combining those with the trails. But of course you can use them with these lovely flying mice as well. This is the Just Plain Awesome stamp set. I am so in love with this one. That cute mouse folding the paper, this makes me smile so much. This mouse is definitely my favorite one. It's super sweet. Then there are these new magic messages. I really love the addition of more magic messages. You can use them with the magic iris, but you can also use them without. Or you can combine them with the magic iris add-on sets or without, like the beehive, etc., or the sunflower. My favorite sentiment here is the just a little note. I think it's just super sweet and it goes on every card. And here's a piece of patterned paper. I am not 100% sure, but I think this is the yellow of the Stripes and Sprinkles paper pad. And I think it works perfectly with the bees of this release. Now, inside this black package, there is the Fireworks hot foil plate. I have some rainbow foil somewhere, so I can't wait to try it out with these fireworks. I think it works great for about any celebration cards. I also ordered an embroidery hoop because my mom's birthday is May 18th, so on release day, and she is turning 60 this year, so I want to make her some home decoration, and I will be using the Stitching Mice set from the spring release because she likes to sew. She still makes her own clothes and stuff. I'm so jealous of that skill. I wish I knew how to do that. So this embroidery hoop is for her. Okay, another package. Here are a few of the standalone dies of this release. I am super excited about these. First, there is this pop-up bee. I love adding an extra touch to the inside of the card, and I think this will be perfect for that. Then I also have the Magic Iris Beehive add-on. I mean, how adorable is this? The hive is amazing, but actually those little bees that you can create are just the cutest. Lawn Fawn standalone die sets always have amazing little details in them just to make the cards extra special. And then of course, this is the honeycomb backdrop. I think it works great with the whole bee theme, but it works as a regular backdrop as well. It will be fun for birthday cards or get well cards or really just any type of cards, really. Oh, and I also ordered a few pretty papers. As you can see here, there are these pastel pearlescent vellum sheets. These colors are so beautiful. I don't know if Cloud9 will still have these in stock because I know they were limited edition from Lawn Fawn, so I'm kinda glad I got a hold of these. Then there is this paper pack of black licorice cardstock, and I use this all the time for my sentiments, for example. And with the bees and all, I know I needed more black cardstock, so I got a hold of this as well. And then I also got this neutral pack of the textured dot cardstock. I already have the rainbow pack of these, and I like the extra texture on this cardstock, so I got a pack of the neutrals as well. Then I ordered a second pack of Pink Fresh ink blending brushes. I already have one, but I wanted one for each color. So it's really great for ink blending small die cuts. I'm reviewing them soon in another video, so if you're interested, watch out for that. And here's another free goodie that's included. A beautiful shimmery, goldeny card base and a matching envelope. This always comes in handy because, you know, for every card we need a card base and an envelope. I love the texture and the color of these. So that's it for my order. Now I do want to mention that I didn't get the bee stamp sets and stencils right now because I already ordered them from Lawn Fawn last year when they released these as a kit. So I already have them in my stash. So here you have these. There's this fun stencil which you can use in about 100 different ways. And then I also have the fun little bees and the honeycomb shaker tags. This queen bee there on the top left, this is my absolute favorite. Oh, and those tiny little sentiments as well, they are just the best. The bzzz, I really, really like these. It's those little details like these that really make a card extra special. So here you can see the coordinating dies and then those shaker tags as well. And that's it for today. I had a blast unboxing my festive package. Yuki from Cloud9 Crafts did an amazing job yet again. I'm so very, very, very happy. I will go create a card now, but first I think I need to vacuum a little bit because my desk and the floor is full of glitter. Now, I really like that 1 week from now I can still find a few glittery pieces here and there, and then this just reminds me of how much fun this hobby is. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!